Here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done dynoing. Everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's got an Edelbrock Air Gap, MSD Pro Billet, quick fuel SS 750. It's a hydraulic roller cam. Got that custom comp. Got custom J&E pistons. 4340 crank, H-beam rods. It's got the March serpentine belt set up. Make sure the alternator works for you. Take you in and show you how it ran. Alrighty, now 3,504 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 529, real flat there, a lot of 20s, pretty impressive. Peak horsepower 490. We rated at 500, kit's worth about 15, so everything runs good. Get her off there in a crate, coming away, have a great day.